Good evening. This is Bill Rose with your weather winter update. With the runs running close to 8:15 p.m. this evening. Currently in Chester, it's clear skies. Temperatures at 35, feels like 29 with 9-mile-an-hour winds, and humidity is 63. I pretty much focus on Chester and the St. Louis Metro East area, although I like to look around the United States. And so we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's going on currently. So this storm system stretches from Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, with Minnesota, Iowa, northern Missouri right now, a good portion of Illinois, all the way up to Wisconsin, Indiana, and Michigan. We do have lake effect snows up and around Pennsylvania and New York. And we have a no burn in Texas right there. And I think there's exemptions, at least I know in California, which also has a no burn because of the air quality, unless you don't have any other source of heat except for firewood. Phoenix, I believe it's Phoenix and Los Angeles that are under the fire ban. Texas, let me see what they got. Oh, they're under a freeze watch in the northwest area around Fort Stockton. They're under freeze watch. So around Phoenix is the no burn, and in around the Los Angeles area is the no burn due to air quality. And there are the exemptions. Let me go ahead and zoom in real quick, and let me get my draw tool out. And you can pretty much see where that freeze line is, right there between the rain, the sleet, the snow, and right there going all the way down. And so we're going to wait for that to roll through. We're going to erase that. And that's what we got going on currently as far as the weather. We do have a freeze warning also in the southeast part of Georgia and going into Florida right there. We do have a storm chaser that's out there in Iowa around Carroll, and he's traveling. Let's go ahead and take a look. So there's a little precipitation on the highway. Right there, you see.
Maybe you're a tea person, Daniel.
Yes, he's near Carroll, Iowa. And we also got some cameras. He's the only one that's traveling. Weatheri.org has 4 cameras just north of Illinois in Wisconsin and south of Madison. We also do have a storm chaser, I believe, is Vince, and he's probably waiting for the winter weather to hit that part. So it looks like they're all kind of focusing on there as far as weatheri.org, which I also think Vince is a part of. Other than that, the timing with the NAM3K and the HRRR on Pivotal Weather has pretty much come together and is showing between 6 and 10. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and let me switch screens real quick. And let's get to Pivotal Weather. And I want to show you a new model that is a prototype experimental model. And it's supposed to replace the HRRR and the NAM3K. So let me go ahead and pop that up real quick. So as far as the timing, it is showing right close to 5, between 5 and 6, and going again to right about 10. So like I said, this one's supposed to be a little bit more accurate. It's in the experimental phase, and all 3 of those are pretty much going right into together as far as the timing between 6 and 10. The rapid refresh forecast system is this new model that's supposed to replace the other 2. Let's get back to Radar Omega real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and give you the probabilistic possible snow amounts according to the National Weather Service. Things have changed a little bit. So Centerville can get up to a half inch, same as Cape Girardeau. Shawneetown, also a half inch. Evansville, Indiana, half inch. Marion, trace amounts to a half inch. Chester and Farmington, trace amounts to 1 inch. Sullivan, up to an inch. Washington, Missouri, trace amounts to 3 inches. Bowling Green, 1 to 7 inches. Quincy, 3 to 10 inches. Pittsfield, 4 to 8 inches. Jerseyville, 3 to 8 inches. St. Louis, 1 to 4 inches. Litchfield, 4 to 9 inches. Vandalia, 3 to 9. Salem, 1 to 5. Nashville, 1 to 3 inches. And Fairfield, a half inch to 2 inches. And if we get up there a little bit further, Springfield, 5 to 11 inches. Havana, 9 to 15 inches. And Champaign, 7 to 12 inches. So this is just a probabilistic possible snow amounts. And I told you the morning temperature is going to hover around 32. It was 32 point something and 33 around that area. But the high tomorrow is supposed to be 42. So I don't expect a whole lot. You may see some on the grass. I don't know about the roadways, and you might have some on your windshield. So if you're getting up in the late morning, you might have to clean off your windshield. If you are traveling up north, expect a mess. Personally, if I was you, if you're traveling up north, past Jerseyville, Litchfield, Vandalia, I always put extra blanket. Make sure you have a heavy coat. Fill up your gas tank. Keep your gas tank filled. I also keep a tow strap because either someone doesn't have a tow strap or you can have a tow strap and you're always able to get out of a ditch. But always keep a blanket. Keep your tank filled when you're traveling in winter weather conditions. I will probably go live tomorrow morning and probably about 5 if I get up and kind of watch this as it goes on. And then I will probably get sometime Saturday, get the full week as far as your temperatures and what to expect. You guys have a good evening, and I will see you tomorrow.